The tipping point for me was when I reached size 3X on the shirts and the tops, and I just knew that I was not going to keep doing what I had done. I was diabetic and taking more and more insulin, and just didn't really see how to stop that bad cycle. You're very motivated to make the diet work. So you stick to the program, and that just the fact that you've done that resets the way you think about food. What the OptiFast program has done for me is first teach me how to eat healthy, to lose the weight, to go off insulin when I had to take it before, and to enjoy being a lighter version of myself and able to think about new challenges.
My inspiration for actually starting the program was my grandkids. I was watching them. My granddaughter asked, "Papa, can you come play with me?" Well, I was to the point that if I got down, it was really, really hard to get up. And I had to tell her no because I was having a bad day with my knees and everything. And it just broke my heart. You know what, I gotta do something about this. Like the doctor said, everything that was with me was truly metabolic. And what was the really interesting thing for me is I started the program in September of 2015. I didn't see my doctor until right around Thanksgiving time that year. So he knocked on the door as customary. He's looking at the chart as he walks in, and he looks up and he goes, "Oh, I'm sorry, I have that." I said, "Who are you looking for?" He looked at me, he's, "Mr. Ramsey?" I said, "Yeah, it's me." He goes, "Oh my God." He reached out and shook my hand. He says, "I didn't know who you were." So, and that was just a few short months. That was amazing to me. And that told me right there that I was making the difference. You have to find out where you're comfortable, and you have to be comfortable in your body. And this whole program with OptiFast and everything, for me, I've been able to incorporate it in, and it's been a wonderful thing for me.
For me, I think the biggest change in my life since I started the OptiFast program was I found me again. I initially weighed in at 208 pounds myself. When I walked into the office there, I weighed 206.1. I say my body got scared and wanted to lose some weight on its own before I really got on the program. And right now I weigh 153 pounds, and so it was about 53.1 pound weight loss. That's what I have so far. It was more than just a weight loss journey for me. It was a transformation into the person that I've always been on the inside. And they just helped me find that girl again. I know when I went in and I started this program and I started losing the weight, that outside shell and the wall that I had built up for years and years and years started tumbling down. You know, and then this person that was on the inside started bubbling up, coming to the surface. And I'm like, who is this girl? That's me, and I like her. And for me, the best part about it is it's about me, and it's about what's best for my body and my situation. I'm not a number on a piece of paper. They look at Monica and say, "Okay, Monica, what do you want to do? How can we help you?" This is the new me. The new, the better, the best Monica. And it's a new Monica. And she is still going. And she's not gonna stop. Not stop at all. Don't let anybody hold you back from being the best you that you can be, period.
The biggest change since my OptiFast weight loss has been less stress, and it's been less depressing. This was a very easy program for us. We did it together, and when I say less stress, you just basically you stick to the nutritional advice that you're getting from your coaches, and you stick to your OptiFast plan, and the weight comes off. My wife was my inspiration for this because she actually started the program first. Since she did that, she came home, we talked about it, we decided to try it together, and mutually we support each other. So the support's been great at home. The things that had helped me in the weight loss journey with OptiFast was the fact that we were getting the nutritional coaching, from our nutritionist. The program was very easy, and anytime we got that craving, the food was it was right there. It's already pre-packaged, it's ready to go. You're getting all your nutrients and everything in it, and this was the first supplement I tried that actually satisfied my hunger. So I could eat a bar, and I was good. Wish I'd have tried sooner. That's what I tell myself today. Very easy program, like I say, and it made a world of difference. If someone's struggling and they hadn't got help yet, I've already talked to several of my coworkers. They were very interested in the program because they can tell the dramatic weight loss with myself and my wife. So we always recommend the OptiFast program, and I've actually had coworkers that are already on the program now and are having great success with it. The first thing is, you have to admit you need the help to yourself first, and then you got to go out and get it. OptiFast program for me, as far as my quality of life, it's increased my energy level. I'm more focused now. I'm not worried about when I'm eating or what I'm gonna be eating. It's easy for me because I can take that with me. So it's actually increased my efficiency at work. I don't have to stop and go to lunch and come back. I have my meals right there. They're ready to go. I don't have to count calories. So like I say, it's just less stress, less drama, and it works.
The biggest change that I've had through this journey through OptiFast has to be just your self-esteem. You not only see that in yourself, but you see how other people see you. We went into OptiFast and started it, and it was the beginning to a new life for both of us, because we were able to do it together. We were able to support each other, and it wasn't hard at all. We just worked together as a team. Like when he was having a bad day, I would boost him up. When I was having a bad day, it was just nice. It was convenient. I just loved it.
I started OptiFast weighing 242 pounds. I lost 88 pounds, and I'm at 154. The biggest change is I can walk. Before I started this program, I was physically limited, not only because of my weight, but because of an accident that happened years before. I couldn't walk down the block, and now I can walk about 4 miles a day. I realized there are some things that I'd always wanted to do that I physically wasn't able to do because of my weight. So one of the things that I've really enjoyed being able to do is I volunteer on Saturdays at a ranch that does equine therapy for special needs kids. I loved horses as a kid, but at 250 pounds, they don't let you ride horses, And when I saw what this place did and how amazingly transformative their lives were, the kids, I wanted to be a part of that. I would say to my old self that don't give up, don't quit before the miracle, because there's hope out of all this hopelessness, and there's help out of feeling so helpless. If I could say anything to somebody who is stuck or doesn't know what to do about their weight, I would say number one, that you've got to be ready, and you don't have to do it by yourself. That's, to me, the most important thing, is to go from isolation and misery to knowing that there is an entire medical support team there to help me, that you don't have to do this alone anymore. I feel like I got my life back because of this program, and I'm so grateful. I really am.